In this video, I will talk about how the validation process is working. So here, I've got 4 accounts, and one of them, this one, test account 1. Just to make sure, I have to log into the test account 1. Okay, so test account 1 is the account hosted this market, and test account 2, test account 3, test account 4, these are accounts which are joining this market. And if you look at the wallet, they bought some ticket B. They test account 3, he bought yeah, I think he bought some amount of ticket B, and test account 2 bought some amount of ticket B. Yeah, you can see. So firstly, when you create validation, you have to finish the market. So in the demo, in actual application, we want users to set the end date, but in a demo, we might arbitrarily we just want to stop the market simply. So when you want to finish the market, what you have to do is to enter the market address. So I just copy it and paste it on here. Oh, sorry. I was in test account 2. Just have to make sure I'm in test account 1. So if I do it, then the market is finished. Okay, so after you finish the market, you can create the validation phase. Now, to give you the context, these accounts, so as you can see, when you respond to the invitation, you'll see 2 Boolean entry, one of which will determine whether you will join the market or not, but second one will determine whether you will be listed on the market. And these accounts put false on the second argument, which means the users do not have any liquidity pools on the market. Okay, so here only the test account 1 has the liquidity pool in the market. In the first argument, you have to put the result. In this case, let's say user got A star. Then on the second argument, you will put the like the links of the photo. So if you have like a photo, then you might post it on, you might do it on IPFS, but you know what I mean. Like it will be like a directory, name of the directory, which will be string. So that's it. On the second argument, I have to put the registry account, as I said, this one. On the third argument, I have to put the market address, so I just quickly go on to here, and I will put it on here. Okay, so when I run it, then it will be released now. Okay, so after I release that, then what users will see is that they will see the list of validation they received on the view functionality. So if I view it, so user have to put their address and user have to put the registry account address. If I view it, okay, so this account actually didn't receive the validation. Let's see on the other account. Hopefully some account received it. How about this account? Okay, yeah, actually that's pretty good. Yeah, so on the third account, they received the validation. So here, as you can see, the recent validation is received from the market, or actually this address is the liquidity pool address which they have to validate. So what they have to do is to go on to this liquidity pool address and use it on here. So user have to respond to the validation. So user will put the address of the liquidity. Oh no, sorry. Oh, actually, user do not have to put any liquidity pool address. What user have to mention, though, is the index of which the validation is stored within the vector. What we want to do is to validate the most recent market, so in this case 1. So for the address, it's just a registry account, so I'll copy it and paste it. Then you'll say it's true, meaning that the result looks good. Yeah, it's just a true. Now if you disagree with the result, then you put false and then you will type in some reasons here. Just for the testing, I will not put any reason here, so just a blank space. Then I just have to make sure I'm in the right account. Oh, actually, I'll do it in different place because this account received the response, I think. So you put the address through blank, then yeah, and I think it will be executed. Yes. So now what you did is you actually validated the marketplace or the liquidity pool. No, the outcomes that the owner of the liquidity pool got. Now, from the law of the elimination, I think this person got the validation request. No, they didn't. That's a shame. That is right. So I actually found out that this account has the market address. I think I missed some part. So what I will do is to go on to this account, then I will respond to this market. Oh no, 0xa. Oh, sorry. That's because when you look at this one, this person only has this response, which means what this validation request, and which means essentially you've only got one item, so you put 0 as the index. Now if you run it, then it will execute. No. Why is it? I messed up a little bit, so let's just go through why I messed up. That's because here you see the account, and here it is completely fine because it shows this account has a validation request. However, why I messed up is because this one. So I was actually in test account 1, which is not valid. So I'll quickly move on to test account 2, then I'll execute it, then now you can sign in. So all of them said it is true. So what I should be able to do is to calculate the price of each token and then distribute it to people. So on the distributing function, I have to put the address of the market, then address of the liquidity pool, registry address, and validation object address.